Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to create a product page on Wix. So for example, I have my Wix website right here and I want to start selling products. Now to add a product page, you need to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on Add Pages and Menu. After doing that, you're going to select Site Menu. Then you're going to tap on Add Page and you are going to go over to the left hand menu option and select Store. After selecting Store, you are going to tap on Add Wix Store right here. Once you have tapped on Add Wix Store, you are going to give it a few seconds and you can see that it's adding the Wix Store right there. Once it has been added, all you'll need to do now, you're going to see a pop-up appear on the left hand column, and from there you can name your page and then you can continue with the editing. So just give it a few seconds while the finishing touches are being added. Once it is up and running, I'll be showing you what to do next. So you can see right here that our store has been added, as you can see right here, and you can see that it is preloaded with some sample products. Now to start editing it, you're going to hover over the page with your mouse cursor and you're going to tap on Manage Products. After selecting Manage Products, you can see a pop-up appear, and from here you can input the products that you would like to add. So for example, you can tap on New Product in the top right hand corner. Then you can choose whether you are selling a physical product or digital product. Let's say for example we are selling digital products. You can tap on digital product right there and you could upload the file that persons will receive when they have completed their purchase. So I'm going to tap on upload file and I'm just going to be selecting an image. So let me tap on image right here. And let's say for example sake, I wanted to upload one from my device. So I'll select upload from computer and I'm going to select this image. After tapping on open, you can see that the image is being added in the bottom left hand corner and you're going to tap on add to product. So that is what they'll receive. Then you can give the product a name. You can also add in description, and this is where you would put your cover image. So you'll tap on add images and from there you could put the cover art. So for example, if you are selling an ebook, this is where you would put the ebook cover. So I'm going to select upload from computer once more and I'm just going to be adding a random image. Once you have added the cover that you'd like to use, you're going to tap on add to page. So let's do that real quick. So I'll select this. So let's close that and I'm going to tap on home. Then from there I'll select the image, which is this one, then tap on add to page. After you have done that, you're going to scroll down and you can set the price that you would like to sell it for, and you can also choose if you'd like to track inventory or not. Then you will tap on save in the bottom right hand corner. After you have tapped on save, from there you can see your product has been added, and you can also remove the sample products if you want by tapping on the box right here to select all, then unselect your product that you have added. You can then tap on more actions and you can choose to delete it. After you have done that, like how you have added your first product, you can tap on categories and you could create a category from the left hand menu option. You can create new categories. You can also tap on getting paid in the top left hand corner, then tap on connect payment method, and from here you can set up the different payment options that you would like to offer your customers. Once you're finished, you can simply close out of this, scroll down, and then from there you can see the product that I've added right here, and you will just tap on publish in the top right hand corner, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.